learn about tenses. What is tense? So first you have to know about what is tense. Tense. Tense indicates the time of action. Okay, the time of action. Action, it means which work we do. Action, it means which work we do. Okay. So tense help us to know about the time of action. At what time that action is happening. That is called tense. So there are three types of tenses. First one is present tense. Present tense. Second is past tense. And third is future tense. Future tense. Today we will learn about present tense, past tense and future tense. But before knowing this, you listen. Here I am telling you a short story. This is Rohan. This is Rohan. Rohan is very aware about environment, and he also spread awareness about environment among his friends and relatives and neighbors. Okay. So Rohan is very happy today. Why he is happy today? Because few months before he showed a seed, and now the seed is preparing as a sapling. It means now this sapling is going to become a tree after few months. So now Rohan is happy. So see, Rohan has sowed seeds few months before. Okay, Rohan sowed seed few months before. ओके, रोहन ने एक सीड लगाया few months before. उसने लगाया था, ओके, उसने लगाया था few months before. उसने एक सीड लगाई थी. It means this is past. ओके, it means this is past. उसने past में एक सीड लगाई थी. रोहन sowed a seed in the past, but nowadays it is going to be a sapling. Okay, now these days it is a sapling. Okay, sapling. What do you mean of sapling? Sapling, it means a small plant, a baby plant. Okay, in science you have read about the baby plant. Okay, small plant, that is called sapling. So now this time, this seeds So just go through a story. We will learn about present tense, past tense and future tense. So just go through this story. Let me see. This is Rohan. Okay. This is Rohan. Rohan is very happy today. Why he is very happy today? Because few months before he showed a seed in the soil, and now this seed become a sapling. Okay, now this seed become a sapling. So see, he is very happy to see this. Its seeds become a small plant, a baby plant, and after many months, after you can say after a few months, it will become a tree. It will become a tree. So Rohan is very aware about environment, and he also spreads awareness about environment among his friends, relatives and family members. Okay, so we should be friendly with environment. Today Rohan is very happy. Why he is very happy? Because he sowed a seed few months before, and now it has become a sapling. So Rohan is very happy to see it has become a sapling. Now this time Rohan is thinking about the future. When it will become a tree, then it will give us fruits, oxygen and so many useful things. Okay, so many useful things. So now, as you can see, Rohan sowed a seed few months before. So this action has been done already in past. So this is past. Okay, it means which action we do in past, that is called past tense. Which action we have already done, that is past. Now it becomes a sapling. Now it becomes a sapling. अभी छोटा पौधा बन जाता है, एक बेबी प्लांट बन जाता है. Okay, so now it becomes a sapling. It means this is present. This is present. Okay, so which action we do in present time, that is present tense. After few months it will become a tree. It will become a tree. So after few months it will become a tree. Then it will give us fruits, vegetables and oxygen and so many useful things. So it is future. Okay, future. It means which action we do in future. If we have planned something and we will do in future, that is future tense. Okay, past it means which we have done already. Present it means which we are doing, or future which we will do in future, in coming time. So that is future tense. Okay, so now we have write down here sentences. We can see the example. Okay, so I have written here three types of sentences. First one is past tense, second is present tense and third is future tense. Okay, so how can you identify? See, when ed is coming in the sentence with verb, it means this is past tense. When s or es is coming in the sentence with verb, it means this is present tense. And when will is coming in the present. Ravi opens the door. This action is taking place in the present. It means this is simple present tense. Now, second, habitual or regular occurrences. Okay, habitual or regular occurrences. Okay, habitual, it means a person has habit to sing, habit to dance, or any action that is habitual. Regular, it means when we talk about daily routine, which you do every day. Okay, which you do every day, that is regular, daily routine. Okay, so when any habitual or regular occurrences are there, that is also simple present tense. Okay, so I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth, it means this is my daily routine. I brush my teeth twice a day. Twice a day. This is regular occurrence. Now, third one is any universal truth. Universal truth. Okay, so any universal truth also simple present tense. Universal truth, it means which we cannot change, which is natural, that is universal truth. Okay, so what is universal truth? Universal truth, it means that we cannot change, which is natural, that is universal truth. For example, we cannot change sun direction. Sun rises in the east, this is universal truth. Sun sets in the west, this is universal truth. The stars twinkle at night in the sky, this is universal truth. Okay, so universal truth which we cannot change. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Okay, that is universal truth. So I hope you must have understood, students, about type of sentences and simple present tense. Okay, so is it clear? Once again you will read this chapter.